have my socials: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, gaming channel, everything, baby.
But like, what's good with y'all? It's GME, 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 Black GME, 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 Black GM. I'm saying, welcome to GME-IRL. We just do IRL things and things IRL. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, sir, it's GME-IRL. We doing a little cooking with GME. If y'all know, you know, back in the day, the channel used to be cooking with Big Sexy. But you know, I had to, I was saying, a couple things around, but it's cooking with GME. We're making some patty melts, basically hamburgers, but instead of buns, we using bread. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I got the meat. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, it's ghetto fabulous, you know what I'm saying? Pre-chopped onions, you know what I'm saying? We already seasoned it. Put the the Lawrence, accent, little pepper, that's all you need for real. Got already pre-chopped onions, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hold up. You know what I'm saying? And this right here, this the bread we gonna be using for, you know what I'm saying? Bread. We got the bread on deck. We got the cheese on deck, you know what I'm saying? I'm feel me, but like real like cooking with GME. I'm saying, like, I'm really balling on a budget right now. I already had the meat cause I get the stamps of the food, you know what I'm saying? We call it Cal Fresh Out Cheddar. I'm saying we in Cali with it, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all boys. Hold up. You got the meats right, cheddar. Got some onion mixed inside there, you know what I'm saying? And yes, I did wash my hands, so don't even ask me. You gotta get in there. Get in there. That's all you gotta do. You gotta get in there. You gotta get in there. Squeeze that bitch. You know what I'm saying? We also gonna make a little onions on the side too, cause like, you know, I like a little onion. When I was younger, I used to hate tomatoes. Now one on my burger was cheese, lettuce, and the meat. That's about it. And ketchup and all that extra good stuff, you know. But like as I got older, cause I used to hate eating vegetables. That's what I used to really hate. Yeah, you know the vibes. They're like GME. You know what I'm saying? I even got a GME change, say, like you gotta see it to believe it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all that in a little bit. I'm gonna have to wash my hands double time to show y'all that, cause I ain't trying to get that bit dirty. You know what I'm saying? It's like my first video posting on this channel, but it's gonna be more up soon. But you know, one step at a time. I just thought I want to do a little cook. I haven't really been cooking for real, actually. I've been on my chopsticks, been on my training. You know what I'm saying, I got the one I be using. This in the bed. Feel me? Oh, I'm gonna be right back. But yeah, it was good. You know the vibes. Remember, shot with GLD. This video is sponsored by GLD. GL. That's like a B whole time. Actually, I can't. You feel me? Sponsored video by GLD. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's smooth. It's pressure for real. We got a little custom joint going on here. You know what I'm saying? Little custom joint, ain't nothing too much for real. Real smooth, you know what I'm saying? Gotta hit that light. Feel me? I'm saying? Got a little custom joint going right here. Like, if you see me in the street with this on, I am a civilian. I'm not part of no violence. So if you run up on me, I'm scary. You will get hit with that cherry, you know what I'm saying? Only pop this out for special occasions. But yeah, making a little patty melt today. And like, and I really meant that ghetto fabulous. I'm about to show y'all what I mean. See that? Got a little flat top, you know what I'm saying? Stainless steel, you know what I'm saying? I try to clean this off as best as I can, but you know, so it can look fresh and so clean for the video. But yeah, we gonna just crank it. Just crank it. Like 350. 350 should be a good crank, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, this been heating up too, jet. It's get kinda hot in here. Little girl, take all your clothes. Get it so hot, you better take your clothes off. Yeah. Sorry, I see y'all can. Sorry, the camera come make sure y'all can see me. Oh yeah. Yeah. So, you know, we just getting a little plate. I need to go shopping, so my stamps they do need to hit. I need to get some more plates. I need to get a lot. Yeah, we on the last plate though. So we gonna make it rock out. Oh, we back. You got the drum right here. So while I heat it up, we wanna just let it heat up all the way. So while it's heating up, we're gonna take some of the onions. You probably make like 2 or 3. I got some rounds in the freezer. Let 2 or 3. Not too much, dude. You wanna let them soften up right fast. Right back to the fridge. I got a fridge and everything down here. Real life basement living. I'm not living bad. I'm just at a bad point of my life. Yeah. So we got the yummy right here. Honestly, I don't know how big I want to make them. This like a little decent size. All those things soften up. I got a fork. I'm preheating. So we're gonna start throwing the meat on that too. You know what I'm saying? A nice little patty, you know, everything off the dome, no pen up pad, no writing. If you know, you know. Ooh, I'm dropping stuff. Like if y'all was here, y'all could really smell it through the phone. It's really smelling delicioso, you know what I'm saying? Delicioso, you know what I'm saying? I'll get that nice little color I want on them. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You know, you got the good phone. I got 13, get that 0.5 different views, you know what I'm saying? It's like if we live in Getto Fabulous, how we gonna smash the burgers down? We using plastic, you know? Telling you, you gotta think with your head when you're living like this, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all in action. Take that bit. Smash that bitch, okay? Smash that bitch, okay? What I told y'all, okay? It's gonna come out good. Take that bitch. Smash that bitch, okay? You might get popped. It's alright, dude. Take that bitch. So nothing, real life, you know what I'm saying? So not like we just smashed the burgers, you know what I'm saying? I just got these, you know what I'm saying? So now we just smashed the burgers, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna whoop the wops. We're gonna whoop the wops. We're gonna take our bread. We're gonna take our bread. We're gonna take our, what we gonna do with the bread? We're gonna toast the bread. And I don't got no butter, but I do got mayonnaise. It's gonna come out just as good. I hope so. I seen a couple chef did this online. We got 4. We're gonna take out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this one at a time. Well, 2 at a, you know what I mean. 1, 2, 3. We call this the top bread, like the sealant, so to keep the other breads fresh. That's why we eat them to the end. That's like the sealant. Look, I keep messing it up. We do it for y'all. I'm saying.
And then I also seen this in like a little show too. Look, it didn't really work out how I wanted it to, but you know, with the wop, with the who bop 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 bow. It's cooking with GME inside this bow. You know the vow, we gonna bow bow bow. Yeah, we gonna chill out if we want. Yeah, we gonna dip if we want. Yeah, we gonna bow if we want. Gonna bop 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 bop. She loving it. Yeah, she thugging it. Yeah. So while the burger's still cooking on that one side, get your mayonnaise. Get your ketchup. We ain't sponsored by nobody but GLD. Take the bread. We're gonna lay it on the stuff we smashed down the burgers with. About to flip the burgers right fast. Then we're gonna move them. And the only reason we're moving the burgers over, because we're gonna use the grease from the burger to help toast the. I'm saying we're gonna use the grease from that to help toast the bread. Come on, now I told y'all, y'all got to think for real. My fault. See, look, the fork already melting. Not too much though, cause we're not using it for the burger. Cause you know what I'm saying. You get the trust. We'll spread. Make sure it's even as it can be with a bent up fork. Take the bread, throw it on there. Matter of fact, we got hella forks, so we're gonna take the back of the fork. Just use it like that so you can more evener spread. We don't need to. It's reheating back up. It's trying to Then we're gonna take our only plate. We're gonna throw the onions on that plate. The fork is officially cursed. Fork is cursed. And nothing more I can do. Look, what's that? Got the little onions on there. That one's still stand there for a little bit more. So it's coming up. All I told y'all, you don't need no butter for real. Look at that toast. Look at that toast. And the onions is engraved inside the bread. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to be out too fancy when you cooking. You need to cook. Just burnt myself, y'all. That hurt. That hurt it right there. That hurt it. Break. We just did some of the final parts. We just cheesed up the breads. You know what I'm saying? You see, that's what happened during a rush job. It don't melt fast enough. And your things start to burn. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you see this? You see all this extra grease? This is seasoning for the next time you cook. But I'm gonna clean it off, dude. I probably won't, y'all. I just lied to y'all face. But yeah, just like the little, I'm gonna show y'all a little finished job in a minute. Get that right there. You mean? Look at that. Got everything modulated. You know what I'm saying? You can't tell me it don't look good. You can't tell me that, though. You can't tell me it don't look good. If we gonna eat all of them, Yes, most likely. We might eat 2 right now and wait a little later to eat the other 2. Or you might just go full dog mode and eat all of them. You know what I'm saying? But, y'all, I'm about to show y'all me taking a little bite. And that's the end of the vid. You know what I'm saying? Fully cooked. Oh, no. Tastes like a patty melt. All in my system, yeah.
Oh, so he didn't see it.
We out, baby. We
Give me
out.
like 5 to 10 likes on the video.
GME-IRL,
I'll drop another one.
Woo, baby. Woo, woo, woo.